Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back guys to another YouTube video. Today, I'll be showing you guys some of the foods that I eat to build muscle and get jacked. When it comes to nutrition, I like to keep it as simple as possible. I like to eat the same food every single day. So you just gotta stick to what works for you. But I'm gonna put you guys on game, show you guys some of the foods, go more into depth about how much calories I consume on a daily basis after this workout. So make sure you like this video and also subscribe, baby. Let's get it.
Que beat é esse, hein?
So workout is completed. That was a great workout, guys. I feel so good. I feel amazing. But I'm just go ahead and have my first meal, which is breakfast. I'll be having 3 eggs, and protein shake. So it's the protein powder that I do use. Protein powder, muscle milk, and I'm gonna mix my creatine as well up in there. So no carbs, straight protein. Summertime right around the corner, guys, and I'm just trying to, you know, I'm cutting right now. I'm in my cutting phase. I ain't going on a heavy cut. It's just more of a mini cut. You know, I'm trying to get them abs to pop. So we got our shirt off during the summertime. We look good. So I've been keeping my carbs real low and my protein high. So seeing a lot of progress though, guys. Like a lot of progress for real. You guys don't realize, man, like I put the work in every single day. You got to put the work in every single day. I got cardio and abs later on tonight, so I'm gonna come back later on and do my cardio and abs. But you gotta want it, man. Like nobody ain't gonna give you the body you want, you know. Nobody ain't gonna get you the amount of money that you want to make a month. Nobody ain't gonna work on that business for you. Like you gotta do it yourself. Straight up, you gotta want it, man. So either you want it or you don't. And I want this, man. So I get up every single day and put the work in. No matter how I feel, no matter what situation I'm in, I put the work in, man. Because as a man, no one cares about your feelings. No one coming to save you. You know, you got to be the hero of your own story. You got to keep God first, too, most importantly. You know, I keep God first in everything I do. So I'm going to go ahead, make my eggs, and I'll come back on here once I finish. So I have my second meal right here, guys. I just have some chicken and also some white rice. So this right here is about 50 G's of carbs. And for protein, this is about 80 G's of protein. So as far as my meals, I do 2 protein shakes, 2 to 3 lean meals, and also at least a gallon of water, guys. And I do that every single day, you know. So like I said, I got my chicken here. My next meal, I'm gonna have some beef and rice from another protein shake. For as far as training, I train 6 days throughout the week, 2 times a day. So I would do my calisthenics / weightlifting early in the morning, and I will come back in the afternoon or late at night and do my cardio and abs, guys. So you just got to know your body. Like for me, I know I put on fat quick, so it's a must. I do my cardio at least 4 to 5 times a week. The only way to lose belly fat, you know, it's only 2 things: being the calorie deficit and doing your cardio. Focus on your diet. The supplements, that's add-ons. You know, you really don't even need that. When I first started, I didn't touch not one supplement. Not one supplement in the beginning of my fitness journey. So I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, man. All the links, everything, you know, my protein powder, creatine, and also pre-workout will be in the description down below. So feel free to click the links. If you are interested, make sure you follow me on all my social medias. 30,000 subscribers, man. We on the way, man. This is crazy. You guys, thank you so much for showing love to the channel, for real. That means a lot. But it's your boy DM the Great. I'm gonna catch you next video, and I'm out. Peace.